We are here, a beautiful evening at Danforth GO train station with a westbound GO train entering the station with the new cab car. This train is the last stop until Toronto. 3:20. And the other one's coming in the back. The eastbound. This is 3:20. We'll pause the video until a meet or the train leaves. And the doors are closed. The red light signifying that the doors are open or off. And 3:20 here is getting ready to depart. With, I think, a GO train coming in the back. It's a GO train and we're gonna have a meet here. 3:20. I'm gonna go the opposite way of the train in case the other one comes. And 6:57. And here comes the other one. 3:20, 6:57 meets GO Transit 6:56. This one's eastbound to Oshawa. And the new cab car. Oh, and an old one, 216. And 307, the new one. .307, 216. Horn and bell. This car, 216, is a retired cab car. It is not in service right now. And we'll pause the video. And there they go. .656, 307, getting ready to depart Danforth GO station, going east. And just now have the lights of the other one gone around the bend out of view. And there she goes. Green light, eastbound. Oh, the perfect meet. See if we can get one for the next two trains. And we have a Via train coming in. And it's moving pretty fast, actually. 6416, that's a new one! Wow! F40PH with the new livery. Sorry, not new anymore. Canada 150. 6416. There's only 5, I think. There's only 5 of them left. I mean, well, 5 of them left. VRL is slowly switching the Canada 150s back into their regular colors. 6416. And we have an eastbound, I think that's a GO train, on the middle track. If this is a middle train, it's the Stouffville line. If it's a via train, it could be Toronto to Montreal or Toronto to Ottawa. Or Toronto, both actually. But this is a GO train. Coming in, blinding lights. .357 speeding through Danforth. Engine 633, cab car 357. Danforth GO station on the Stouffville GO line.